to plug in y1 is 3 to the power of 2x and y2 equals 81. What I want you to do is figure out few values here. So let's get some negative values and some positive values. So what will happen if you plug in, let's do negative 4. And let's also do negative 2. Let's do 2 and 4. If you plug in negative 4 here, 3 to the power of 2 times negative 4. That's not a good idea. I don't like this. You can erase. You're using a pencil. Too bad. Honestly, I prefer that we don't use a calculator. Like yesterday, did we use the calculator to solve any yesterday?
Yes.
No, we use our calculator to check our answers yesterday. Get it straight. So let's go ahead and not use the calculator again, because it said algebraically. So there's no point to use a calculator, right? So on the first one, what will you do?
Put it in like the log.
Apply the log to both sides. If you apply to the log to both sides, you will get log of what?
4x and log of 10.
4x is equal to log of 10.
Or log. Can it be log?
It's log of 10 though. Log base 10 of
Can
10.
it be log if we don't want to put 10?
I didn't put 10. You're getting the argument confused with the base.
Never mind.
You get the difference?
Never mind.
Do you get okay?
Yeah.
Good. That's the point. Now that you reach this level, what will you do?
Move it to the side and equal to 0.
By the way, what's wrong with what I wrote there?
I don't know.
It's 4 to the power of x, not 4x.
Mhm.
So I'll move the x to the front to get x log 4, a log of 4, is equal to log of 10. But by the way, what's log of 10? 1. So x actually is equal to what? 1 over,
4.
no, log 4. And use your calculator to find it. That's just one way. That's not the way I would have approached this problem, by the way. Eric, what I'm about to do is what you questioned me yesterday. When I say this one, I can use what we've been using, drop the base and switch. This is actually log base 4 of what? 10 equals x, and I'm straight to the answer. You can do that. I'm just showing you more than one way. This is the way you will use with no matter what, because there are different type of problems. But when it's this simple, you can just apply this. Drop the base and switch and go straight to the answer. And from there, it's alpha window 5 or, yes.
I don't get what you did on the first one.
I did what we did yesterday. I applied the log on both sides. Yes. So, yes.
Okay, never mind. So you don't have to drop the base and switch when you're just putting log on both.
You don't have to do that if you pick one way. This is one way, this is the other. It doesn't matter which way you use. Alright, so what's the final answer, by the way? 1.66. I need 3 digits.
0. Wait, I have a question.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so then
Alright, let's look at the next one. For number 2, I have 2 times 4 to the power of 3x minus 1 is equal to 9. Is it minus or plus on your paper? Plus 1.
plus.
Before I do anything, I will divide both sides by 2. Because you cannot do any drop the base switch whenever you have 2 values attached like this. So the first thing is rewrite it as 4 to the power of 3x plus 1 is equal to 9 over 2 or 4.5. You understand what I did there?
Why would it be
I divide both sides by 2.
2.4? It's 2.4.
Oh, it's 2. I thought it was 2 times 4, making it easier. If it's 2.4, then we can just do the drop the base and switch. What will it be? Log base what?
9.
2.4. 9 is equal to
3x
3x.
So why didn't you do the other one?
plus, because you thought it was 2 times 4.
I thought it was 2 times 4.
Yogurt.
Now from here, what do I do? Add 1 to both sides, right? To get 1 plus log base 2.4. Yes, subtract 1. Negative 1 plus is equal to 3x, right? And I put all over 3 to get x. Now, you can put this on your calculator. Let's go ahead and practice that. Getting there. There you go. So what I would write is, I would first do alpha 1, and I press 1. It gives me the fraction. I put negative 1 plus alpha window 5, and it's 2.4 here. Nine, and my denominator is 3, and I press enter. My x is apparently approximately equal to 0.503. Guys, this is not the only way of solving it. Yes.
I just plugged in log is 2.4, 9, and then I got 2.51 equals 3x plus 1, and I just did that all together, and I got this thing.
Okay. Yes, you
That
can.
works too?
Yeah, that's fine. I was just showing you a way to use your calculator. Yes. Number 4. On number 4, I would do again alpha window 5 because the power is only on one of them, right? So if I drop the base and switch, I get log base what? What's the base? Half, meaning 0.5 if you want to write it like this, of what? 1.6 is equal to negative x. So I will put I will cancel this negative, but put it on this side, and that will be my answer. So what is the approximate value of x here? This is for you that I'm doing this for you now, Eric. When I get to this level, I'll put negative alpha window 5, and I can put 0.5 here and 1.6. What will happen if your calculator is not the new one? You know, you do the change of base, right? It's just log of 1.6 over log of 0.5. So my answer here is 0.678. On problem number 5, once again, is straightforward. So I will do log base what? 1.5 of 14.5 is equal to x minus 1. All I got to do is get rid of this, but add 1 to this side, and I got my answer.
Ooh, it's 7.595.
I don't know what it is. I'm not going to get to the calculator portion on this anymore because it's straightforward.
So I had to.
Huh?
You have to want to the
Log.
1.
No, you finish calculating this, then you add 1. And if you have the new calculator, literally type this one and press enter.
Oh, you can't, like, on this calculator, you can't just put in that whole thing, and you have to do, like you have to do the
I
log
did
one, and
it.
you add 1.
No, look at this. All I have to do is 1 plus
Okay, yeah. Wait.
up window.
Can I do this calculator now?
On which
Yes, you
one?
can do it.
You got the same calculator as I do.
Oh, I thought
It's the
it was
same one.
like-
It's a newer version, but it will do it too. 1.5. And what's the other value? 14 point?
7.5.
14 point.
5.
Sorry, I didn't trust you on that one. 7.595.
What did I tell you?
I don't know what you told me,
I-
but that's the answer. All right, number 6. Although it will be just a little waste of time because we know already what it is. We know how to get it. This is log base 5 of 100. is equal to 2x, and at the end you divide both sides by 2 to cancel it. I'm not trying to find the answer right now because I want to get to problem number 7. On problem number 7, you cannot just say drop the base and switch. The easy way to solve problem number 7 is to identify that 27 is related to 3. 27 is 3 to what power? 3 to the power of 3. So I can rewrite this one as 3 to the power of 2x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power of 3x minus 2. Whose is that? Yes, he's here. Thank you. Alex. Do you understand what I wrote there?
Yes.
No? Do we all get it?
Probably someone doesn't.
What's 27? 3 to what power? 3. So I just put 3 and I put the rest inside a parenthesis. You understand it now?
Okay, so
Huh?
now we're distributing.
Let me answer that question. What was that? From here, I can literally omit the base, which is 3. And now we write 2x plus 1 is equal to 3x minus 6. I move the 2x to this side to get a single x. I move the 6 to this side to get 7. Any question? Let's look at problem number 9. Problem number 9, we can easily do the drop the base and switch, right?
No.
Because there's no 2 power. So this is just log base 2 of what?
20
20 is equal to,
x plus 4.
and all I have to do is subtract 4 from both sides. And I got my answer.
That's number 8.
Well, it's number 9 for me. Huh? I only moved the next. On which one? On the one I just did? All I did was, drop the base and switch. Log base 2 of 20 is equal to x plus 4, right? Then I subtract 4 from both sides to get x alone. What was that? 0.33. All right, this one is similar. Drop the base and switch. We give me log base what?
20, no,
Of?
70
Is equal to
x squared.
x squared. And what do I do next?
Square root of
Square root both sides to get x is equal to, approximately equal to, you find the square root of log 70, 20.
we have to.
I'm doing it. It doesn't matter. Is it 70, 20 or 20, 70?
2070.
Is it 1.190?
No, 1.191. 1.9.
Okay, yeah.
I forgot what it was.
1011.
1.
Nice.
Right? Something like that. Wow. All these, I'm not going to do number 11. I'm not doing number 12. I'm not doing number 13. I'm not doing number 14. What is the solution of the equation b to the power of x is equal to c? Which one is it? I want to hear the answer.